Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my wash and go if I'm a little bit lazy and I want my hair to dry fast, but still wanna air dry and have the volume. It's not my most defined wash and go, you know. This wash and go is just for a day in Amsterdam, maybe 2 days in Amsterdam, taking some pictures for the gram and Snapchat, you know, that's it. So per usual, I start with freshly washed hair. And my hair is looking crazy because I haven't used conditioner. I start with the side part. I'm gonna section the hair in the middle. And then I'm gonna make 4 sections. I'm starting with my problem area, the area that needs a lot more products than the rest of my hair. Again, I am parting the hair in 2. This makes it a lot easier to apply the products. I'm spritzing the hair with water. On my lazy days, I will apply the products in the shower. But just for video purposes, it was easier to film this way. I'm using the curling jelly by Samyang and the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften. I use the curling jelly first. Starting at the ends, I work my way up. I use the raking method. I think this is the most easiest method if you want your wash and go to be quick, easy and defined. I add more products at the roots because, as I mentioned before, this is my problem area. Now I'm applying the oil and I start at the ends and work my way up. The final step is using my Denman brush. I only use this on the ends because I want my ends to be defined. And then I scrunch. These are my grays. I didn't dye my hair in the back as much as I did the front. The grays in the front was more visible. That's the reason why the grays in the back are a little bit longer than the front. So back to the wash and go, I repeat the steps using water, products, and the raking method. So I use a little bit more product on my top section to get rid of the middle part. And I also apply a little bit more product on my grays because they don't wanna listen. My grays just need a little bit more love and more products. So now my hair is all done. I shake my hair a little bit and let it air dry. I always sleep with a satin scarf. I put my hair in a pineapple when my hair is completely dry, and then I wrap my hair in a satin scarf. All I'm doing now is separate the curls, and I also separate the ends where I use my Denman brush. Of course, I use my hair pick to create more volume. I use a little bit of the control paste by curls to smooth my edges. And that's it. I fluff some more and we're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Until the next time, bye!